What's up, everybody? So we got a little delivery today. It's the Banks Ram Air intake. This is going to be going on my Ram 2500. So let's do a little unboxing for you. Well, hello there. Okay, so we have that. All your attachments for your sensors. And we're gonna have to figure out how to plug that because my truck does not use that anymore. Then we have where the filter is going to sit. So let me set you down here. Move this box. Oh, there's more stuff. There you go. Get your book. Always register your items because when it comes time to warranty, or you break it or it breaks, they always want to see all that stuff. This is super important here, California, because you won't pass smog if you don't have that. Okay, a couple boot clamps and all right. This filter is huge. Out of here. There we go. Look at the size of that. Wow. That is massive. So your stock filter, and when I do the install video, I'll show you all the stock components compared to the Banks performance. I probably shouldn't have opened that, but there we go. Get a better shot of that. Look at that. Yeah. So, massive filter where the filter is housed. Also massive. And just very well packaged too. So. And the most important thing that I didn't mention on here also is that the owner's manual, because there's you could reuse this filter, you wash it out, but there's an oil, I mean it's even on my hands now, there's an oil that you're supposed to spray on there afterwards. So I look to install this probably this weekend. Oh, there you go. So this piece goes right there. Perfect. Your carb sticker. Banks power sticker. I usually don't use this. I've debadged my truck, so. Ah, there you go. Vehicle equipped with a reusable sticker. Or with a reusable filter, excuse me. Installation instructions. I mean, just wonderfully put together. And then you have a Banks performance magazine. Excuse me, Banks Power magazine. They got their Duramax truck on there. All right, so I look to put that one in the truck this weekend. So look forward to another video. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.